Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button because today's video is going to save you from one of the most frustrating problems car audio lovers face, choosing the wrong subwoofer box and ending up with weak, disappointing bass. I've seen so many people invest in powerful subwoofers only to pair them with boxes that choke their performance. So today I'm reviewing 5 of the best subwoofer boxes and enclosures that will instantly upgrade your sound. Stay tuned till the very end, because number 1 might surprise you. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit the links in the description for the best deals, and leave a comment telling me which of these boxes you'd pick for your setup. The Atrend Bbox single 10-inch subwoofer sealed enclosure designed specifically to fit the 2002 to 2018 Dodge Ram quad cab delivers solid compatibility with factory interiors while offering a fully carpeted finish, high-quality MDF construction, airtight sealed design, and internal cubic airspace, engineered to match a wide range of 10-inch subs. This enclosure features premium-grade craftsmanship with CNC machined cutouts and rigid structural support to ensure distortion-free performance even at higher power levels. The standout feature of this box is how perfectly it integrates into the Dodge Ram quad cab without sacrificing space or factory look, making it ideal for truck owners who want stealthy bass enhancement without modifying their interior. A minor shortcoming is that it is limited to Ram quad cab models, but for those vehicles, it is absolutely worth it. The Bbox dual-vented 12-inch subwoofer box brings a pro audio-tuned dual-chamber design engineered for maximum airflow, high-output bass, and improved low-frequency response. It features premium-grade MDF, precision slot ports, durable carpet covering, and acoustically optimized internal volume for two 12-inch subwoofers, all tuned to enhance clarity and depth. This dual-vented enclosure stands out because it offers tremendous air movement and loud, aggressive bass ideal for users who want competition-level output without building a custom box. It is best suited for bass lovers who run powerful amps and need an enclosure capable of handling elevated air pressure while keeping subs cool and responsive. The only small drawback is that the large dual-vented design requires trunk space, but the performance it delivers makes it absolutely worth it. The Atrend Bbox 12SVSC single-vented 12-inch subwoofer box, which offers an expertly engineered vented design optimized for a single 12-inch subwoofer with high-grade MDF, precision-cut porting, carefully tuned internal airspace, and a premium black carpet finish built for durability and acoustic accuracy. This enclosure is designed to increase low-end extension while maintaining tight response, making it a great pairing for both entry-level and mid-power subwoofers. What makes this box stand out is its ability to significantly boost bass output from a single 12-inch speaker, delivering impressive punch and depth without needing multiple subs, making it perfect for users who want big bass from a single driver setup. A small downside is that vented boxes can be slightly larger than sealed ones, but the sound gains absolutely justify it. The Skar Audio Dual 10-inch complete 2400-watt SDR series subwoofer bass package includes two 10-inch SDR subwoofers preloaded into a ported enclosure and paired with a matching Skar audio amplifier, all capable of handling up to 2400 watts peak power with clean bass reproduction, high output tuning, rugged MDF construction, and a turnkey system that is ready to install right out of the box. This package is outstanding because it eliminates the guesswork of matching subs, amps, and enclosures, giving you a perfectly balanced system engineered to work in harmony. It's best for beginners or anyone wanting instant, powerful bass without needing to build or configure individual components. The only slight limitation is that it may not satisfy extreme SPL competitors, but for most users it is absolutely worth every penny. The Skar Audio SK1X10V single 10-inch universal fit ported subwoofer enclosure, built with high-strength MDF, a highly efficient vented design, universal 10-inch compatibility, precision slot porting, durable carpeting, and ideal internal volume engineered for strong low-frequency performance. This enclosure delivers surprising output for a single 10 setup and is designed to maximize efficiency and cone movement, producing deep, rich bass even with moderate power subs. It stands out because it works well with nearly any 10-inch woofer, making it the most versatile choice on this list and an excellent option for DIY builders, daily drivers, or anyone upgrading from a factory system. The only minor drawback is that as a single driver enclosure, extreme bass-hungry users might want more, but for its size, output, and versatility, it is absolutely worth it. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more car audio reviews and upgrades. Check the links in the description to get the best deals on all these subwoofer boxes and packages, and leave a comment letting me know which one you'd choose for your ride. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.